If you would like to experience living and studying abroad, consider one of the many programs offered through our International Programs and Services Department, located in the Admin Building, Room 200. Attend a study abroad workshop on a Tuesday at 11 a.m. or a Thursday at 2 p.m. Just walk in. Many companies are global, having divisions in multiple countries. A study abroad experience will give you a big advantage when applying for jobs with global companies. Living and studying in another culture fosters new skills in communication, relations, and ethics. It boosts your self-confidence and provides adventure. You'll realize what a small world this really is. Learning about the history, language, culture, and daily life of another culture while living there is a fascinating experience. When I experienced study abroad, Central Italy was my classroom. How do you decide where to go? There are many countries to choose from. You'll want to consider the types of courses you'd like to take. If you have to add a semester to fit in study abroad, it's well worth it. There are summer programs and even a one-semester senior design project. General education Haas courses are available in abundance, so save some of your Haas credits for study abroad if you are planning to go. You might choose a location based on which country you'd like to visit rather than what courses are offered. This is Katie Dobbins, who studied abroad in Ghana. She took 2 computer engineering courses and 2 Haas courses. On the International Programs and Services website, click Study Abroad to expand the menu. Then click the Study Abroad program option to get to the list of options for semester and year-long programs, summer, and faculty-led programs. In this example, I clicked Semester and Year-Long Programs, then clicked the down arrow to the right of Chile. There are 2 locations in Chile you can choose. Here are some countries that offer electrical engineering, computer engineering, and/or computer science courses. There are more to choose from, plus many more countries for taking general education, humanities, arts, and social science credits. Do some searching on the IPS website for locations and courses. Once you have a good idea of where you'd like to go and what classes you'd like to take there, meet with your academic advisor and choose a semester that fits best with your curriculum. Be aware of any classes that are offered only once per year, such as Design Fundamentals, which is required before your senior design or last year of enterprise. One of the university's learning goals is global literacy, which can be met with study abroad. You can take Haas credits here in Houghton, which is somewhat like being in a different culture, or at your home community college. But imagine taking general education in a place like Chengdu, China, Fiji, Japan, or Prague, Czechoslovakia. A huge bonus to studying abroad is program-included field trips and having time to travel and tour on your own or with your classmates. Field trips and traveling add more immersion into the culture, language, history, and daily life of another culture. The adventures I had in Central Italy with Viterbo Summer Session 1 were over-the-top amazing. The classes I took were all related to the history, culture, and language of Italy. Everywhere I went, the knowledge gained from these courses helped me interact with Italians and know something about what I was seeing. The instructors are experts in their topics, and the classes were not easy. The class schedule is set up to allow time for adventures and weekend trips, and I did have a lot of homework in case you are wondering. Engineering majors can meet their engineering design requirements through the European Project Semester Program, EPS. This is a one-semester project at a university in Europe. Most projects are industry-sponsored, similar to our year-long senior design project. Students are on a team with other students from a variety of countries. English is used. Electrical and computer engineers can do EPS after completing electronics and either microcontroller applications or hardware-software integration. Do not take EE 3901 here, Design Fundamentals. You'll get credit for EE 3901 plus the EE 4901 and 4910 project credits. You'll take some number of Haas credits, which can vary by university, usually 4 to 7 credits. Meet with your academic advisor to plan ahead for the EPS program. These photos were taken in the Netherlands by an EE student doing EPS. His project team re-engineered a patio umbrella which turns into a giant lamp at night to be less costly for the company sponsor to build. One of his favorite memories was a day trip to the Kasteel de Haar in Utrecht. If you'd like to consider studying abroad, attend one of the workshops on a Tuesday at 11 a.m. or a Thursday at 2 p.m. in the Admin Building Room 200. Ask about the cost of attendance, financial aid, and scholarships, and begin searching for countries and courses you'd like. Meet with your academic advisor for planning which semester will work best with your academic plan.